Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'll show you how to make this tasty Karela Aloo Baingan Bhaji. I can guarantee that it won't be bitter. You'll love it even if you dislike bitter gourd. Remember to subscribe to my channel for interesting and easy recipes. Some thinly sliced bitter gourd or Karela. Add some salt and mix it well. Leave it aside for half an hour at least. Some eggplant or baigan cut into small pieces and some potatoes cut into small pieces. Cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, chaat masala powder, grated ginger and garlic. Some cumin and coriander seeds for tempering the oil, chopped tomato and a whole green chili. Vegetable oil for deep frying and cooking. Heat some oil in a wok for deep frying. The oil should be nice and hot before we put in our baingan. I'll just check. That looks good. So we'll fry the baingan in batches. Keep the oil hot. Otherwise the eggplants tend to soak up the oil. Fry them till they are colored lightly and are cooked. We are getting there. They look done. Take them out and drain them on absorbent paper. Fry the rest in batches. Let's get on with the potatoes. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Fry the potatoes on medium heat. You don't need the oil to be as hot. And we also want the potatoes to cook. So medium heat it is. The potatoes are done. Let's get them out. Next batch. Let's get back to the bitter gourd or Karela that we had marinated. Just before frying them, squeeze out all the water that they have released. This will remove most of the bitterness that comes with the bitter gourd. This is ready to be fried. Medium heat. They look done. Drain on absorbent paper. Fry the rest of them. Now that we have the Karela, aloo and baingan fried and ready, let's get on with the bhaji. Heat some oil in another pan. Add in the cumin and coriander seeds. Add in the chopped tomato. Let it settle down. Let's add in the dry spices and the ginger garlic paste. There's salt in it as well. Add in some water. Mix it up. Throw in the green chili. If you want the heat, you may slit it. So I'll just cover it and let it cook for a minute. Let's take a look inside. Cook it till the oil starts separating. The tomatoes have softened up and the oil has started separating. Time to add in the potatoes and the eggplants or the baingan. Give it a good mix. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. You could stop right here at this stage and make your own Aloo Baingan Bhaji. That would taste good too. Just give it a couple of minutes so that all the flavors are soaked up by the potatoes and the eggplant. Turn off the heat and add in the Karela. Give it a mix. That's ready to plate. This is one of my favorite Karela recipes. Serve the bhaji with dal chawal or dal roti and enjoy. Click the above link for this recipe.